Oh, look at her. Look at her, bish. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, what's up? So today we're going to be doing a excuse me, we're going to be doing a bronzy drugstore tutorial. I literally just got back from the store and picking up a few goodies that that I saw there, so I wanted to get on here and do a bronzy affordable drugstore tutorial for you ladies, because we all want to save some coins. Now don't we? If you guys want to sit back and hang out with me and get bronzed for the summer and spring and everything like that, then stay tuned. Okie dokie. So some of the products that we'll be using today, unfortunately I don't have a drugstore version of, but I will be putting or inserting some type of alternative of what I'm using that you guys can get at a drugstore and use for your skin. So first things first, what we're going to be using is our primer. So for primer today, I'm going to be using Bare Minimal's Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. This is supposedly supposed to help smooth out your pores and give you a nice hydrated look. This was recommended to me at Ulta, so by somebody else, so we're gonna hope that this works well for us. We're gonna hope. It does have like a silicone-y texture to it, not too much. I'm gonna push this into my pores to help smooth them out and get the product in there and give us a nice smooth base. Foundation today, we're gonna be using the new L'Oreal Paris Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation. It's the breathable texture in shade 525. We're gonna pump. Oh wow, that was easy. Ooh, that's kind of liquidy. If you guys didn't see that, it's kind of like drippy liquidy. And the crazy thing is, I had like no real reference in the store on shade matching myself. I just had to go by what I know my undertone was, and that was basically it. But I think I did a good job shade matching myself, guys. What do you guys think? That's the foundation side, and that's my natural skin. I think I did a good job matching myself. Feels like there's nothing on my skin right now. Okay, so the foundation's on. It looks really good. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Ooh, sorry, didn't mean to shake my hair. But yeah, so now we're gonna go in with concealer. So for concealer, our Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C13. This foundation, I use it like often. I like to use this concealer more to like spot conceal because it's not super, the shade I chose isn't like super brightening. So we're gonna go in with the same beauty sponge and blend her out, alternating back and forth between concealers so that one side isn't too overly concealed than the other. Next, to set my under eye, we're gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 334, which is Warm Sun. It looks more like this. M437 brush. M437. I'm gonna go in with my M437 brush, and we're just gonna go in there and just go under here and set her real quick. This is also a good trick for long-lasting foundation and concealer. Using a more dense powder to set your under eye will make it last way longer for you than using a loose setting powder. So she looks really pretty and set. Nice. I like a dodo. Completely forgot to do my brows and to put something on my lips. But yeah, I forgot to do my brows. I always do my brows. I always do my brows before my foundation and everything like that, but I completely forgot, which is fine. So we're just gonna do them now. NYX. We're gonna be using our NYX eyebrow powder pencil in the shade Black. So you guys know how to do your brows. So I really don't need to walk you through this part. Unless you don't know how to do your brows, let me know in the comments and we'll do an eyebrow tutorial. But since this is boring, I'm just gonna go do them really quick. Okay, so we're back with brows on. Looks so nice, so defined. The only thing I will say about the pencil is that it is pigmented. It is pigmented. So just use a light hand when using that pencil. Okay, just want to give you a little quick tip. Before we finish our face, we want to get into the eyes. So for the look today for the eyes, I want to keep it very in the bronzy family, very almost neutral, I guess. Yeah, very neutral look, very just subdued, nothing crazy. I might add a shimmer, knowing me, I'm gonna add a shimmer, but we're gonna try our best to stay in like a little bronzy family. So we're gonna bring you guys in a little closer and we're gonna get into the eye. Okay, so you guys are close to me, like very close to me, and it makes it a little uncomfortable, but it's okay. So for the eyes today, we're gonna be using this beautiful palette by NYX. It's the Ultimate Edit palette. Palette was super cheap. Like when I saw the price, I was like, oh, gotta have it. It was only, I think it was like $6, but I'm gonna be putting all the prices on the screen if you guys haven't seen that already. So as you guys can see, this palette is very neutral but warm, and it'll give you a nice little everyday beautiful look. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here as our transition shade, and then we're most likely gonna go over that with this deeper color here to bronze it out. Oh, she looks so bad. But anyway, the first brush we're gonna be jumping into is our M513. It's a very fluffy brush, well, basically a fluffy brush, and we're gonna go into that shade right here, like I said. Actually, I'm doing all this stuff and I didn't even prime my eyelids. Oh my god, guys, I'm so terrible. We're gonna prime our eyelids with the Makeup Revolution concealer that we used earlier. Cool. So now that we have a nice even base on, I'm sorry if you guys can see my lace underneath and everything. I apologize in advance. So yeah, now we're gonna go back in. I'm not gonna set it. Like I said, this concealer it dries down pretty dry, so I really don't feel the need to do that. So I'm gonna go into that mauve shade. I'm gonna go all over the lid. So freaking pretty, so freaking pretty. Isn't that pretty, guys? Like, that's so pretty. The color's so pretty. If that doesn't remind you of spring IDK, I'm mad I'm saying IDK. I don't know what colors would if this don't. I go in. So yeah, see, it's nice and built up where I want it to be. I'm gonna go in with my M43. Oh god, my contacts. I'm having a hot, oh my god, I feel like a hot mess right now. Sorry guys, my dog. So I'm gonna go in now with the darkest shade there. I'm gonna go in with the top of the brush more so than the sides. Going into the crease now to deepen that up. She looks so pretty. Like, I love this. It's like, this is so nice for just even every day. Bow, there she is. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera and I'm gonna finish the other eye, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna bronze our face. Okay, sounds good. We're gonna do it anyway. Okay, so I'm back and the eyes are done for the most part for right now. So now we're gonna go into bronzing the skin, the whole point of the video. So you're gonna go in with Luxie brush, my Luxie brush, the 512. It's a small contouring brush. I got this brush in my BoxyCharm, I believe in April, for April. Yeah, I got it for April. So this is what the shade looks like. It does look very, very bright. Let me see if I can turn down. Hold on. Let me turn on the light. Turn down the light. Why is it going opposite? Okay, I can't turn the light down anymore, but it looks really, really, oops, shit, way brighter. Okay. It looks way brighter on camera and the light, what it is and what it actually is in person. This is the shade 365 Nutmeg, so I'm gonna go in, dip it into it. There's kickback, just to warn you. I'm just gonna pat into the skin. Okay. Well, it should be bronzing me, but I see no difference. I see no difference. So I'm actually gonna try something different on the other, well, on this side. You're not supposed to mix liquid and powder, but we're gonna do this. This is also bronzing. Dot my face basically as another Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C18. I'm gonna go in with the same brush. That's much better. Thing with bronzing for dark-skinned women is that we don't need to do it. Like, we don't need to do it because we already naturally have melanin in our skin and we're naturally tan people. So we don't need to bronze. So that's why it's kind of hard for us, and that's why there's no real bronzers out there on the market for us, really. Because we don't need to bronze. So bronzing for us is basically contouring. So now that we're done bronzing our skin, we're gonna go in with a blush. We're gonna be using our Juvias Place palette. Very affordable as well. I think we're gonna go in with the shade Towel today. The blush is on, so what are we gonna do next? Oh, next what we're gonna do is set my entire face. So to set my entire face, I'm gonna go in with our Old Faithful here. I'm gonna use a very, very, very light amount. Like, I'm not even gonna use all that. And just going over everything. So now that I've set her down, all I'm gonna do now is, we're gonna set our face. Okay, what is this? Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. Very long names. Now that all of that is on, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna put on my eyeliner and my lashes. And we'll be right back. Okay, all right guys, so I'm back with my lashes and mascara on. I put a little bit of golden shade from the palette on my inner corners here, and I'm gonna put that as a brown bone highlight later for a general highlight for you guys, because that is the next step. So you're gonna be using this. So pretty. It is the Maybelline Master Chrome Face by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter, and we're going to highlight our face with this. Something like this, guys. Whoa, look at her. Look at her, bitch. Highlight the brow bone. And we're gonna do a spritz one more time. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm sorry if the video cut off weirdly. My camera died, so I had to finish everything else off camera. Yeah, so off camera, I kind of forgot where I left off, but I think I was putting on my lips when it died, and the lip liner was NYX in Downtown Beauty, and the lip gloss is Anastasia Beverly Hills in Kristen. Here is the finished look. She's very pretty, and she's bronzed, nice and bronzed, pretty. So yes, I absolutely love everything that I used today. My base, I think my base hasn't looked, jeez, why didn't you guys tell me I had some of my teeth? Anyway, I feel like my base hasn't looked any better in like a long time. Like, this foundation is everything. I'm gonna keep definitely using it. I feel like I have nothing on my skin, and that's like amazing, and I absolutely love it. If you guys love my lashes, I hope you guys love them too. I love these lashes. They are from the brand They are from the brand Fairy Stylish, from the YouTuber Lareja Andrea. I'm gonna leave a link to the website below if you love these. These are in the style Darling. I'm not sure if she still has these on stock because I got these right before she ended her $9 sale. So I'm not exactly sure if these are still in stock, but there are plenty of other styles that are so similar to these. If you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and playing in makeup, if you guys had any questions or concerns or comments, please leave them down below. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I post a video, as well as clicking that like button like I think I said already. So yeah, that's everything, I think. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. I never know how to end these videos, so that's why I look like so confused and like I'm thinking every time I post, and not every time I post, like every time I say something. But yeah, and I don't want to forget anything, so I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So yeah. Alright guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys soon. Yeah, soon. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, night, weekend, whenever I post this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace, love, and ketchup, hot sauce, and all this stuff. Yeah. Bye.